Hello everybody, today we are going to make bagels. So we'll start out with warm water. Now I'm adding the half cup. And now we'll add in our yeast and everything. So it calls for 2 teaspoons yeast, 2 teaspoons salt, 2 tablespoons sugar. And that was all in there. And now we'll whisk it a little bit. We whisk it till like salt, sugar, and yeast is all dissolved. Now we'll add in our flour. It calls for 780 grams of flour, or 6 cups. Now we'll attach it to the grab this swirly attachment. And we'll start it on stir. Once it starts mixing more, we'll turn it up, like getting more together. Keep it in here longer so it'll need it, so it already needs it. The good thing about this is it's not really sticky. Now we'll just check it. There you go, and it kind of, when you stretch it around, it won't rip, it'll just rip a little bit, and it's good like that. See? Now we'll just form it into a ball. Cut it, however many we can get out of it. This is a double recipe. We cut it in half and then we form a ball out of it. Another ball. And now we'll cut it and see how many we'll get out of it. Cut these 16 of them and we'll just do little balls out of them. No cracks. going to dust the Then we poke a hole in it. And I will set them to the side and let them rise for an hour. So now what we'll do, since they've been rising for an hour, we'll fill this up with water. So now what you did is you fill this up with water, put baking soda in it, and now we'll light it and let that boil before we start putting the bagels in. So now our water is boiling and we'll put in the bagels. We'll do 1 minute on each side. Almost a minute. One minute. And go. It's been a minute now on the other side. Now we'll just set them down and then we'll put another couple in there. And now we'll just sprinkle some of them with everything bagel seasoning. 1 minute. Turn, and 1, 2. So now we'll take it out. There, and now we'll put some more. And then we just sprinkle it with everything bagel seasoning. So now we'll put it in the oven. Let it sit in there for an hour. The bagels and mama, yeah. Look at that. Ooh, wow. And there you go. That's how you make bagels. That's how you make bagels with kale. Please subscribe and like it.